Did you throw up?
No, not yet.
Tell me.
It'll come up.
Tell me when you're gonna.
I'm gonna coma?
What? I said, tell me when you're gonna.
Oh, I don't know when I'm gonna.
You have to drink it, eat it all. Got it.
How do I know if I'm going to?
Okay. If you're gonna throw up, just tell me. Okay. Nothing yet?
No, I just keep burping. What is this, like a Team on 2 marathon?
Yeah.
Hey, at least I don't eat the whole entire pill.
Yeah. You can do this, Taylor. You can do this.
Do what? You cannot.
You're halfway there. You can do this.
It is disgusting.
You don't like bananas?
I hate bananas. Unless it's like in a fruit mix.
You can do this, Taylor.
I don't know what you mean.
Do you like eat and drink them at the same time?
It was so disgusting. I thought I was gonna go right then. My mouth feels weird.
You can do this, Taylor.
What do you mean?
You can eat this.
Without puking?
Yeah, without puking. Oh.
Why are you hiding in the bathroom? Because I projectile puke or something?
Before you puke, because I hate puke.
It's so gross.
Excuse me.
I would do the cinnamon challenge, but I would get in trouble.
The what?
I'm not allowed to do the cinnamon challenge.
Oh, you can do the ice challenge. Ice and salt.
What's that even do?
They say it leaves scars on your, I don't know. Do you throw up?
I spit it out. It's disgusting. I quit.
You're done?
My stomach is hurting so bad.
Well, at least you know you didn't throw up when you did this. Well, there we have it.